day to remember. Oh, that is magnificent. All of the aeroplanes we're putting on today are fantastic, but that Swordfish has made this tiny little commentator a very happy bunny. Navy Wings is entirely funded by the public. Based at Yeovilton in Somerset. There goes the brake. Here we go.
I could have been sat.
Seaward back to hold.
The prototype Swordfish first flew in 1933. You're looking at a very venerable aeroplane. It was known in those days, and I kid you not, as the TSR-2. That was torpedo, spotter, reconnaissance. This aeroplane was designed to fly from small aircraft carriers carrying torpedoes to inflict damage on enemy fleets. With the torpedo slung underneath, maximum speed 82 knots. Whilst testing the prototype one day in late 1933, test pilot Chris Stanilan was trying out spins, and he entered the most dangerous one, a flat spin. He very quickly realised he couldn't get the big biplane out of the spin and decided it was best to part company with it. He bailed out of the cockpit and momentarily woke up, not floating down in the air under a parachute, in the rear cockpit of this wonderful biplane. Stunned, he realised that all the effort he'd done to try and get out hadn't achieved. He tried and tried again and eventually bailed out. Perhaps the first and only time somebody is parachuted out of the same aeroplane twice. An Atlantic convoy operating from MAC ships, merchant aircraft carriers. Pilots and the crews of these aeroplanes undertook every time they took off. November 1940, 21 Swordfish raided the Italian Navy all important that this was the blueprint for what became Pearl Harbor.
Excuse me, Paul. No, it did.
Swordfish also incapacitated the grand battleship Bismarck. Managed to hit the rudder. And here we come with the final pass on the wonderful furry Swordfish. Give them away. This is incredible. They're waving back. The Navy wing Swordfish. Stinson Company has destroyed the United States some fine aeroplanes. This machine, built in 1943. It was very nearly 600 that were transferred to the British Fleet thereof. They were used for communications flying and as trainers. On loan to Navy Wing. Navy Wing use again, obviously, to display the tail, big hook tail. It's ideal for training people the skill of flying such a machine. This aircraft served 740 Squadron at Factory Hannis up in Scotland, and then the rest of the war flew 703 Squadron at Thorney Island down in Portsmouth. Return to the Americans. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, clap, wave. They can see you. The Navy Wing Stinson Reliant. Beautiful. Now I keep saying it, given the conditions, we are so lucky to see these aeroplanes.
Very nice display, well appreciated down here. Blackpool 119955. 119955,